All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to unbox Hubman and Chubgirl's Safari Adventure Ultimate Stationery Box. I decided to check out these subscriptions. They had a deal of 50% off your first monthly subscription, and then after that they charge you every month on the 26th. I don't think I'm going to keep it for the long term, but I thought I would check it out because I'm getting into junk journaling and different stationaries. And so we are going to unbox the Safari Adventure box. I wish I had waited just a few days later because as cute as this theme is, it's not my favorite. And I do have one other box coming that I am really excited for, but this is the Safari Adventure for August. So as you can see, when you open it up, you have a cute little box. It's happy planning time. Little welcome card. It gives you 15% off, and I'm not going to show the code because I kind of want that. This is a freebie I got with the box. I guess it helps you figure out how to do your layouts. I'm not really sure how helpful it is. Like, I can count the dot sections myself, so I'm not really sure how helpful it is. I guess it's just a nice visual. I would have to get into more journaling to decide, but it came free. Each month seems like it comes with a little freebie in the box, and this is the freebie I got this month. And then it comes with a cute little bullet journal so you get started. I don't know if I'm going to use the bullet journal. I might use my own journal because I'm going to kind of do a scrapbooking type thing. But this is a cute little journal for bullet journaling specifically. I'm not going to just do bullet journaling. I kind of want to do a mashup junk journal, but I might give this to a student or do something in my classes where students might use, you know, a bullet journal like this. I don't know. We'll see. It is really cute though. And then this is a card that tells you about your first subscription. They do give lots of little discounts and things, and it's just a little bit about the company. I do think it's neat that it's a person that does all the artwork each month, so you're not paying for AI artwork. All the stickers are hand drawn. So as you can see, it comes in a cute box. You open it up. And what I like about the Ultimate box is you get other things. You get little pins. This is a little pin. I might stick it on my backpack or my purse. I think there's other ways that you can use these that people have done if they're not really interested in pins. Like you can add some sort of magnet back to it or something like that if you want it on your fridge. But it is really cute. Then you've got the little washi tapes. The washi tapes also have little creatures in the safari bushes, which are very cute. We also have some more safari thinner tape, and this looks like it's sparkly. Maybe, or it's just textured. Not really sure. But again, leaf safari hats, all on theme. So it looks more like this. You can probably get a better view of what the tape looks like without the shiny part on it. Same with this one. It's the Safari Adventure washi tape. I love washi tape. I use it for all kinds of things. Unfortunately, I got it a little late in August, so I haven't really used it yet, but it looks like these are all like calendars, so you can do your labels and do your own planning on theme if you like to put stickers onto things because that's relaxing and you like pretty themes. I think that this is really good for making your bullet journal yourself. So it looks like you've got this for your Monday through Sunday. You've got little boxes where you can write things. I'm not sure what I would use these for, but they are really cute. The paper is all different. Some of it's textured. Cute. So this helps you organize what you need to do for the week and the month. And you've got some more of these little boxes. Maybe these go on top of these boxes for labeling. So you can customize them. They do have directions on how they design their spreads with some of these stickers. So these are some more cute, oh my gosh, I love these. Cute little stickers to design your page for when you're bullet journaling. So it seems to me like the stickers are well designed for this size little bullet journal, which is very cool. It's kind of self-contained. Then you've got some die cut stickers, 5. Let's see what's in here. I love these. Let's see, how do I open it? No, I don't want them to all fall. Oh, but they are really cute. At first I was like, oh, I don't know if I'll like this series as much, but it is really cute. I mean, look at all these little animals. I love the little lion. They're so cute. Voila. So if you need help with your bullet journaling ideas and wanting it to be a very cohesive theme, I think that this little set is really awesome for that so far. What else do we got here? This more might be to help kind of, this reminds me of more like junk journaling type stickers. So yeah, so you've got more variety of stickers in here. 7 sticker sheets with different finishes. I like sparkly things, so I'm happy to see that they've got some variety. It's very reflective. But here are some stickers. Oh, this is really good for like layering and junk journaling, these types of stickers. Same with these, you can do little postcard notes. I mean, I have to say the quality is pretty phenomenal. And the different styles you get. So this is $60 a month for these, and I don't think these are including the other boxes that are released that are $100 to $110. It's pretty expensive, but you are getting pretty quality things to design your booklets with. Oh, I love these. These are great. Very cool. Put all the trash over there. Here are some more stickers. It doesn't look like it has a little what's in this sticker pack on the back like the other ones have. So let's take it out. So these look really cute. Oh my goodness. Some more label planner stuff where you got little characters. Oh my goodness, so cute. I can't wait to get setting up my little planner myself. I kind of want to design my own. As much as I like these, again, these little bullet journals, I kind of want to do something bigger and more junk journal-y with my planning. But wow. Some of these are really cool. More organizing for the days of the week. I wonder if there's enough to do the whole month. I'm not sure. I guess I'll find out once I set it up. So obviously it's things for August. I do like that you don't have to use the August stickers. They're not really necessary if you want to use this in a different month. You just won't include the August stickers. So that's good. I was a little worried about that because I got this later in August than I would have hoped. You've got your different day numbers or numbers in general you can use for kind of whatever. And then it kind of looks like they have these to organize your stickers. So it comes with one organizer. It looks a little bent. I don't have the rest of the sticker organizer, so maybe I'll look into that. I kind of like the idea behind that. So if you're not using all your stickers, you have somewhere to put them. Let's see. Where is it located? In the back? Oh, these are so cute. I mean, you are getting a lot of little stickers in these. At first I was like, $60 is kind of a lot for this kind of thing, but honestly, I mean, all of these are so different and cute. You are getting a lot of stickers, and it's quality, and you're supporting an artist rather than some mass-produced AI thing at this point, probably, which most things probably are on the internet. And this is really cute too. I love the lions. I think those are my favorite. And then what's in here? This is cute. A little card. That's cute. I don't know what I would do with it, but that's fun. So some of the texture of the stickers are nicer quality compared to others. Like some feel like a different texture. Like these feel nice. I don't know what the point of that is or what the difference is. Like some of them just feel like regular paper. These feel a little smoother, a little more plasticky. They might last longer. But yeah, these are pretty cute. And last but not least, what else is in here? If these are sticky notes, this is the thinnest sticky note pad I've ever seen. It is, but it's so thin. Like, what are we doing? That's a little disappointing. At least make it a full pad. And then it looks like some more little leaf stickers are just free roaming in here. So that's, yeah, that's about it for the Hubman. What was it? Hubman and Chubgirl. I do think it's fun. $60 is a lot though every month. And then I do think it's weird that some of the seasonal ones that you might want in your subscription are separate, and then they're more money. I think they add more things to them, maybe, I would hope. But I think overall I'm happy. I got this one half off, so I can't complain too much. The next one I am really excited for, so I'll stay tuned for that. And I hope you liked seeing what was in this month's box, or this last month's box. I don't think I'll keep the subscription long term because it is expensive for stickers, and as much as I love to support artists and how cool this is, I probably wouldn't be able to do it long term, but it is really cute. All right, thanks and for watching, and have a good one.